McGeorge Family Farm, the one where we discover waterfalls.
Alright. I see you. Alright, I put up a second feeder. This cardinal is bullying. Here's the original. So they're both on either side of like this thicket that so many birds love. I think it's pawpaw mixed in there during the summer. And then I also put one way back there. Oh, the shipping container's blocking it maybe? Not sure. But there's so many birds talking in here.
Alright, so we have this footbridge, and in the winter we have our own like secondary creek. Can you see the little waterfall? Aww. Try and avoid falling on this rickety bridge. Look at that. Alrighty. Is he gonna fall? Look, it goes all the way up. The whole...
I think this might have been a busted out culvert.
The whole thing. Oh yeah.
And then it just
It's rotted and like taken back to the earth. It's the dogs. Okay, Dad just found, I believe it is a deer skull, and he's gonna excavate it. And I just dipped my hand, woo, it's so freezing, into this creek here because I found the coolest snail shell. I can't wait to take it to the kids. This is literally right behind our house on our property. The house is like, well, where we're parked, just over there. And off we go. Mick went to go see if it was safe up there. I don't know how we'll get Hank back here, but I can't wait for the kids to see this. Oh, he's gone. Slide down! Full send! I had no idea. Holy crap, you guys. Look at this tree. Look at it. I can't even... Oh my Lanta. I'm going to measure it. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is massive. This
is where all of our like tertiary creeks meet. Streams, forks, hands of the creek, whatever you call them. Right here, it's trying not to. Just look at that. An old tire. And I hear birds at my feeders. Alright, so I came over here because this is actual Porter's Creek. It was frozen a few days ago. This is our little left-hand fort. But y'all, can you see those ice sheets? Oh my goodness. Alright, look at. So for context, I mean, you can see there's like small trees around the river. Look at the creek. Look at how big these ice hugs are. They are as big as that second one on the bottom is bigger than our dinette. It's so crazy. I'm gonna try and film it from back here. Is that a bear paw? Like a baby bear? Alright, here is another angle of those crazy ice chunks. There's some here. They're absolutely massive. But this is no zoom. No zoom at all. Crazy. So, if you can see, I'm like slip sliding. Look at it. I can't get it. It's a sheet of ice. I gotta practice for the Olympics. I'll be 40. I think I maybe can't. Alright, we started across here where that orange cone is about where the new house is gonna go. But Mick and I hiked all the way up to get that waterfall. Then I walked over here where the fork of all the little creeks are. And then there's the icebergs over there and the sheets of ice. Woohoo! And I walked over to find this lovely heater on. Ooh, you can see the heat wave. And no one's out here except me. Don't mind if I do. Nick's trying to show me how deep it's getting. Up to his boots that are waterproof. Don't go any farther. Are you standing on a cement
No,
cinder block or no?
There's a cinder block here.
Oh yeah, I can tell.
This is the bottom.
Wow. And the iceberg over there. I can't even, how thick is that? Five inches thick?
The
9?
Yes.
The ice is melting off the roof, and then the wind is blowing, and these like sheets of this like paper thin ice are blowing down. It's pretty wild. Look how fast. Look how fast it's melting.
For more Twin Chaos, please like and subscribe.